0.
Just take it easy, man.
I'm perfectly calm, dude.
Yeah, waving the fucking gun around? You just take it easy.
Can't believe he in the cut like sashimi. I buck past Lamborghini, mask and beanie. Banned from TV, I hit a fella like an Isabella Rossellini. In blue velvet dealt with graffiti. My crew helped me see what the details concealing. Now it's just arithmetic, I picture it B-I-S-U-alize, catch the free we live. It's do or die, let Illuminati try me. Yeah, my army, I'm strong in the concrete jungle. Puff a Marley, a blunt though calmly. Don't front, slow it down, you be stalling. I'm too calculated, alpha male in my offspring. The palm of my hand, the world is revolving. You can yell hallelujah or move with the shaman. All things ain't what they seem. You better think for your 17. Hella shit you never seen. I'm a grown man, touch everything from belly ring. Girls with tattoos in this world with cash rules. Grandmama says she sure she bad news, but I never listen from birth, I act rude. Dude, you see what happens? Treat him like a stepchild, Tito Jackson. Read him off the riot act, he won't crack, feed him to the lions, oh, he no laughed in. Please no asking for mercy, you had your chance, you can curse me. You see what happens, this is what happens. You see what happens, this is what happens. You in the rut, and Molly on the rag. Me, I mix the indica with the Bali shag. Watch me throw it in a zigzag and take a hearty drag. Kick back like a fully automatic in Iraq. What's happening? Your Black Hawk down in Mogadishu, surrounded by thirsty hounds that gotta eat too. No sequel, they finished them. These dudes is not the type to rock the mic, dismantle you manually. Go for the needle and eat oh. Cops on bikes is falling like dominoes, vamonos. From lethal encounters, they even down to SWAT, you know. They all got for show. Some said it couldn't even be possible. The odds are so overwhelming, but when you got nothing to lose, you sling shells like Van Helsing and ring bells from Belfast to LC Gundo. And Vic a sucker for his bundle. If he ain't no punk though, the situation done go foul. The guns go pow. Your lungs gon' collapse like Rapunzel. Let her hair down, do the Fred Astaire now. Tap dancing while cast blasting, asking for trouble. Now you got it with a masked madman. Play them out like a jazz band. Ashes of dust, they gon' bust for the cash, fam. You see what happens? Treat him like a stepchild, Tito Jackson. Read him off the riot act, he won't crack, feed him to the lions, oh, he no laughed in. Please no asking for mercy, you had your chance, you can curse me. You see what happens? This is what happens. You see what happens?